Coupon Queen, and thanks for tuning back in. I hope everybody's having a great Saturday. I just wanted to do a quick video on the top 6 Walgreens deals for this next upcoming week, starting September 8th through the 14th. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification tab so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video with some upcoming deals. If you've already been subscribed to the channel, welcome back. So let's dive into the top 6 deals. The first one is going to be another freebie on Crest toothpaste. The deal is for Crest, buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So the 3D white is included. There's also a couple other varieties. Just make sure you're checking your tags, or you can scan it on the app and make sure it's popping up for $2.99. If it is, it'll be part of this deal. So you're going to pick up 2 at $2.99. You're going to use a $2 off in-app coupon, so make sure you clip that to your card before you go shopping. Your final price is going to be $3.98 for 2. You're going to get back that $4 register reward, so it's going to wind up being another freebie. So this is a deal everyone can do. If you're new to couponing and you want to go, this will be your first one. You can get some free toothpaste. The next deal is on Kelloggs cereal. They are on sale this week, $1.99. There's a couple different ways that you can do this deal depending on what varieties of Kellogg's your stores have in stock. Number one, you can go on Kelloggs.com and sign up for their rewards app. Every time you buy a Kellogg's item, you get points back, and you can also get specific coupons. So if you log in, fill out the registration form, your email address and such, there are some coupons. For example, on the Frosted Flakes Honey Nut for 70 cents off of 1. So if you have the Honey Nut in your store, that would be a great deal. Ibotta also has rebates back, again, depending on the variety that you purchase. Some of them are 25 cents back per box, and some of them are up to 40 cents back per box. If you don't have the Kellogg's reward, there is also a $1 off 2 coupon in the 825 P&G. So the deal is, you would buy 2 at $1.99. You would use that $1 off 2 coupon. Final price is going to be $3 for 2, or just $1.50 each. So not a bad deal there on cereal. The next deal I wanted to do is on DiGiorno Rising Crust Pizza. This would be a great thing to buy. Throw it in your freezer for football season. It is the Rising Crust. I've had these before. They're really good. They're on sale this week, 2 for $10. There's also a $3 off 2 coupon in your Walgreens app, so make sure you clip that one to your card. Your final price is going to be $7 for 2, or just $3.50 each. And these are for the large ones, the 12-inch, so I thought that was a really good deal. The next deal is on the Snuggle 2-pack refill oils. So Snuggle, some different items are on BOGO. Buy one, get one free for next week. So if you get the 2-pack of refills, there is a $3 off coupon in your Walgreens app as well. So you're going to buy 2 of them at $6.99. The second one is going to be free. You're going to use that $3 off coupon. Final price is going to be $3.99 or $1.99 each, which is not bad because those are pretty expensive. Just make sure for the Snuggle that you have the correct cartridge to put it in. They're not all interchangeable, I believe, so just make sure you have the correct adapter so you can plug that one into your wall. The next deal is on Colgate mouthwash. They are on sale next week, $4.99. There is a $1 off coupon in your app. The deal on Colgate next week is buy one, get a $3 register reward. So the deal on that is going to be, when you use that $1 off coupon in your Walgreens app, you're going to pay $3.99 out of pocket. You're going to get back that $3 register reward. So your final price is going to be just 99 cents. And the last deal I wanted to share with you is on the Garnier Fruit Teas Whole Blends. So this is their better version than compared to just their normal Garnier Fruit Teas. They're on sale 2 for $7. There is a $4 off 2 in the Walgreens app. So again, clip that to your card before you go shopping. In the September IVC booklet, which is the big savings coupon book, you find it right in the beginning of the store along with the weekly ads. You can take those, they're free, so don't worry. So pick that up. There is a $1 off coupon I believe it's on page 20. So it's $1 off each. So the deal on this, you're gonna pay just $1 for 2 of them, because that $1 off IVC coupon is going to count for each bottle, and you're picking up 2. So the coupon is $4 off 2. That brings it down to 3. 2 of those IVC coupons brings it down to just $1 or 50 cents each. So that's a really good deal. I really like the Garnier Fructis Whole Blends. I use it myself. It smells really good and it leaves your hair super soft. So those are all the deals that I wanted to share with you. So make sure you're checking. This week we are going to get 4 inserts in our newspaper. So I recommend getting a couple newspapers. There's going to be 2 Retail Me Nots and 2 Smart Sources. So it's going to be a really good week for inserts. I will post my Walgreens haul with some additional deals and any unadvertised or clearance deals that I find on Monday. And I'll be posting my CVS haul on Sunday. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.